guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best bread makers. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the bread makers in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best bread makers on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker. If you only make bread once in a blue moon, you may not want to empty your wallet on a high-end bread machine that can cost several $100s. Luckily, there's the popular Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker, which you can call your own for less than $80. This automatic bread maker appliance lets you bake 1.5 or 2-pound loaves, and it has settings for white, French, quick, whole grain, and sweet bread, and a gluten-free setting, as well as extras such as jam and cake. If you're in a hurry, you can also use the express programs, which are finished in around an hour. The large digital display includes a delay timer, and you can select from 3 crust settings depending on your preference. This bread machine's inner baking pan is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making for easy cleanup. And if you want to add nuts or fruit to your creation, there's an audible baking process reminder for when to do so. Number 9. Oster expressbake 2-pound bread maker. If you like the idea of fresh, easy, homemade bread but don't want to break the budget on a machine, this bread machine has a value price tag, but still has plenty of features. This can make loaves up to 2 pounds, has 12 bread settings, and 3 crust settings, so you can make a variety of bread. It can also be used to make homemade jam. If you're in a hurry, the express bake feature can produce a finished loaf in under an hour. Plus, it has a large LCD display, which shows you when the bread making is progressing, and, like most bread makers, this model has a delay timer that allows you to add ingredients and bake later and keep a warm setting. Coming in number 8, Breadman 2-pound professional. This bread maker has 14 baking functions: white rapid, whole wheat rapid, French rapid, sweet bread, quick bread, low carb, gluten-free, dough, artisan dough, jam, and bake only. You can set the crust for light, medium, or dark, and it makes loaves in 1, 1.5, and 2-pound sizes. There's a 15-hour delay start option, so you can add ingredients and bake later. And there's a 1-hour keep warm option. A top window lets you check the process without lifting the lid. If those options aren't enough, you can also adjust the settings to your liking. The machine has collapsible kneading paddles, including a collapsible measuring cup, an adjustable measuring spoon, and a recipe book. Coming in number 7, Curtis Stone 2-pound bread maker. Bread making is easy with this machine from Curtis Stone. Follow step-by-step recipes in the included instruction book. Choose either a 1, 1.5, or 2-pound loaf. Pick from 19 preset programs and 3 crust colors. Then sit back and relax and wait for your homemade baked bread. Other features include a timer delay, audible beeps that will let you know exactly when to mix in your fruit or nuts if you choose, and a removable non-stick pan that easily cleans up. It comes with a measuring cup, measuring spoon, hook, and kneading blade. There's also a manufacturer 1-year limited warranty. Number 6. Cuisine Art CBK110 Compact Automatic Bread Maker. If you're looking for a bread maker that doesn't take up too much real estate on your kitchen counter, the Cuisine Art is an excellent option. Don't be fooled by its compact size though. This machine can do quite a lot. This Cuisine Art compact bread maker has 12 menu options, so you can make everything from artisan bread to the jams you're going to spread on them. Best of all, users report that this machine is a breeze to clean, thanks to the removable, non-stick kneading pan and paddle. And couldn't be easier to operate. This one also boasts a viewing window, digital display, 13-hour delay start timer, and audible alerts to indicate when it's time to take out the paddle, and most importantly, when your beautiful loaf of bread is ready to slice and serve. Coming in at number 5, Sakura Programmable Bread Maker Machine. The Sakura Bread Maker produces excellent results with bread, pasta dough, and everything in between, which is a lot, given that it has a whopping 19 menu options. Fans of this appliance also say that it's easy to clean. Wipe it down and you're done. And it boasts a sturdy construction with straightforward controls. There's no automatic fruit and nut dispenser on this one, but it will give you a loud beep when the time is right. And the 15-hour delay start timer and 1-hour warm function provide plenty of flexibility. Folks also say the bread pan is a winner, producing evenly brown loaves that don't stick to the bottom. Coming at number 4, MUSU MB70 Bread Maker Machine. Good news if you got curious kids around. This aesthetically pleasing stainless steel machine features heat-proof construction and manual setting options, in addition to the 19 pre-programmed ones for the most hands-on home baker. This one also has a small footprint and lightweight design, so it's especially practical if you're short on kitchen space, as well as a 15-hour delay start timer and a warm function for convenience. Number 3, Breville, the custom load. If you're looking for a beautifully designed machine with a lot of fancy features, you'll love the Breville, the custom loaf. It can make a loaf that's up to 2.5 pounds, among the largest of any electric bread maker. It has 13 settings, including one for an extra crusty loaf and another for gluten-free bread, making this one of the best bread machines around. The Breville is pricey but has a lot of nice extra features, including some you won't find on any other machine. There's a dispenser that automatically adds the fruits, nuts, or chocolate chips so you can truly set and forget it, regardless of your recipe. After it finishes kneading, the paddle folds down. That means you don't have to extract it from your baking bread, and there's no crater in the bottom of your loaf. Coming at number 2, Cuisine Art Bread Maker. Can't be contained to just one type of bread? Then you need an automatic bread maker model like the Cuisine Art Bread Maker, which boasts 12 different pre-programmed settings, letting you make any loaf that suits your mood. This versatile bread machine can make 1, 1.5, or 2-pound loaves. But keep in mind its vertical design yields a tall, skinny-shaped baked bread loaf, not necessarily the best for sandwiches. What can the Cuisine Art Bread Maker do? It has programs for white bread, French, whole wheat, ultra-fast, sweet, and gluten-free bread, as well as dough, artisan dough for artisan bread, jam, packaged bread mix, cake, and bake only, in case you're in the mood to knead by hand. There are 3 crust color options, and you can delay the baking cycle for up to 13 hours. Plus, the kneading paddle and bread pan are non-stick for easy cleanup. That's for a reasonable price. Number 1, Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. If you're ready to leave grocery store bread in the past, the Zojirusu Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is one of the top bread machines you can buy today. Unlike many other models, the Zojirusu Bread Maker creates traditional 2-pound rectangular loaves, similar to what you buy from the store, and it boasts a variety of baking bread features that let you create amazing bread with minimal effort. This appliance can make white, multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan bread, and it boasts double kneading blades and dual heaters for superior cooking results. You can also control the automatic bread maker settings via the large LCD screen, adjusting things like the bread type, crust control, and delay timer. The Zojirusu bread maker has a large glass viewing window that lets you see what's going on inside the baking process and a sturdy inner bread pan. And it even features a rapid setting that whips up white or whole wheat bread in 2.5 hours. This bread machine comes with a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups, and a measuring spoon, as well as a bread recipe book. While this Zojirusu bread maker is on the more expensive side, user reviews say it makes delicious bread that rivals handmade loaves could not. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best bread makers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.